Hello, John. Thank you for your time. This is Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. So the point of this video is one, to show you what a website could do to increase your online traffic and your leads. And also, I'll show you a top competitor in your area that has a website and what that website does for him and how you could duplicate that website to get that same traffic and leads that competitor is getting. So I'll talk about three things here on content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anywhere where for a homepage, you need anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition number of keyword needed. So keywords are things that people type in to find you and your services. And without a website, it's hard to do that. Facebook is one way to go, but Facebook is not ranked on here usually, and it's hard to have those keywords on Facebook. So it's important to have a website to get those keywords on there. So here are some keywords that I pulled up, and here's a tool we use called Ahrefs, how to do searches for keywords and do deep dive in websites. So here's some of the top ones when I typed in renovations. So the higher volume, the better. So there's a lot of volume here that has potential to find you and your services. So for these, you can't put these on Facebook to optimize them. You have to put on the website to optimize them, and that's what Google looks for. So with that, these are called organics right here. So this is with your content, and you want to be ranked at the top as you can for any kind of service you do or area you provide for. So this top competitor here is Stay Fox. So we'll look at his website here. He has a pretty big website, has a lot of services going on here. There's a lot of kitchen modeling, and he does a pretty good job in the area. So for his numbers, here's his URL right here. So here's some of his numbers. So he uses keywords. So he has a lot of keywords here. He has over 6,000 keywords. And, the great thing about keywords, you don't have to recreate the wheel, so I do a deep dive in competitors' websites. And if you create your website, whatever keywords apply to you, I could also put on your website to optimize them, and you get that same search volume. And that'll give you increase your traffic and your leads just being shown up by Google that way with a website. So the second is backlinks. So let me go back here. Yeah, so a backlink is anywhere where one website is linked to another website, and you can't do backlinks for Facebook websites. So you have to do it with your regular hosting websites. So this is where these act like endorsement of your website from others, and Google use that to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you with your website. So it's also like a popularity contest. Person with the most backlinks wins, but to keep in mind, you have to have strong, relevant backlinks. So this is a strong, relevant site. This is his trust over time. This is immediate strength. He's getting that from his backlinks. But same thing with backlinks. I could do a deep dive in his backlinks. I could see the ones that are followed that anybody could follow, and I tag them to any kind of website, and I add them over time. So eventually, you can't get here with these numbers overnight, but eventually month after month you want to add to your backlinks and your keywords, and you want to get this high traffic, and that's why he's being ranked at the top when people search for this keyword right there. So that's what a website could do for you. Then finally, there's citations. So actually you could do this without a website. All you need is a business name profile. So citations is where your business name, address, and your number are shown exactly on your Google business profile. Now all these competitors, they have websites. Some don't, but in this case they do. But here is where, it's where you're it's really important to be in here because this generates huge amounts of revenue, and you want to be in the top 3 here. Much like on pages 2 or 3 of Google, people don't click for more services. People don't really click this button for more businesses. So you want to find yourself in the top 3 here. And to do that, you just increase your citations with directories like Yelp and Angie's List and Expertise and BBB. And also it's good to have a strong social media presence here too. That's where a Facebook page would help be ranked here. So the idea here is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is you outrank above them in this map pack. There's also another strategy here. It's not here because this is actually not a very competitive area, so I would be excited about this. You could invest in Google ads. Sometimes Google ads are up here at the top, and to optimize that, and that's one way to increase your online traffic as well. So there's many avenues to increase your online traffic with Google Ads, the map pack right here, and to build a website to be up here organically with all the services you do and all the areas you provide for in this Columbus, Ohio area. So with the web page, once content, backlinks, and citations, once they all come together, you really start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at, why that's worth it to be in the eyes of consumers and all those strategies there. So not sure what your margins are, but imagine that would generate some pretty decent revenue. And also there's many more keywords you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So this is what I do. I create this videos to start thinking about creating that online traffic for you on yourself. But if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out. I could help you out with that. I give you some more information, or we could do research and we talk about goals, and I could talk about what's realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So if you leave me a line of feedback on this, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. And again, I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. And thank you for your time, and thank you for listening. Much luck in your business. Have a great day.